Y'all ever seen these before? It's one of those inductive wireless smartphone chargers. You get the metal ring, you stick it to the back of your phone, sticks on the window, and then you plug in the cord right there. So, I think it was like 40 bucks, something like that. The really expensive ones that hold your phone really snugly and you can record video and charge your phone and do all that stuff, use it for navigation. They get pretty expensive. Some of them get up to around $200 something for a phone mount for your windshield. I'm going to give you guys a little tip to turn this $40 suction cuppy charger into a $200 one. When mounting your phone and you expect rough roads or trails or rugged terrain ahead, get you a couple of these little hair ties. You can get them at the dollar store for nothing, like a whole pack of them. Slip them over the phone and around the back of here, one on top, one on bottom, and it'll hold your phone through anything. You're more than likely going to have the mount fall off your windshield or whatever you got it stuck to before the phone's going to fall off the mount. Just a little tip to save you a lot of money. That's how I'm building this truck with no budget. Follow this build for more tips on how to build your dream truck without having to spend a buttload of money.